Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here with some Happy Mail. I previously opened it, but haven't peeked in it, but it is from Seaside Bath Company on Facebook. I will try to link everything down below in the description box, and here's what she sent me. It is a jar of eczema cream, I believe. She so kindly sent it to me to test. It's eczema cream for a skin condition that's capitalized by patches of itchy, inflamed skin. There are multiple types of eczema. The most common is atopical dermatitis, and it's basically being allergic to water. And I'm to moisturize with this daily to help manage the flare-ups from the eczema. And I'll be testing this for a month and letting her know. Ooh, it's nice and soft. Silky on the skin. And look, it doesn't leave a shine. I don't know how big the bottle is, but this is just a sample that she was so kind enough to send to me to test for her. And again, it is Seaside Bath Company on Facebook. I will link everything down below. On Facebook, it is A Sea of Pearls on Facebook. Here's the card. aseaofpearls.com. Okay. So I will be testing this for a month, and I will come back and let you all know how it worked for me and where you can get it, how to contact them, and all that information will be down below in the description box. And I will see you all back in a month to give y'all my results on this. Okay? So I would like to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload more content. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, be kind, be happy, be crafty, stay crafty. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. See you in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.